It's one of the first, but it won't be the last case of fetal homicide that a woman is being charged with in the United States. In Kentucky, they arrested a 35-year-old woman on charges of fetal homicide in the first degree, abuse of a corpse, and tampering with physical evidence. Now, we have seen charges of abuse of a corpse all littered up and down the anti-choice states. They've gone down, I want to say, to as low as 18 weeks in gestational age to charge with abuse of a corpse. And usually, if the fetus has been beyond the viability mark, they will just go straight for child endangerment and other type charges. Or neglect of an infant. We've seen those cases as well when they have been around the 24, 26, 28 gestational age mark. So as we're going through this case, I want you to pay attention to the words they are using, pay attention to who is reporting these facts. Where are we getting these facts from? Because so far, everything that's been released has been from the police. Spencer ordered medication online to end her pregnancy, which is not illegal. A self-managed abortion in Kentucky is not illegal, and then buried the remains of her pregnancy in her backyard. Police described the fetus as developed, which is again questionable because police have also called an 18-week gestational age fetus a fully developed infant. And in other news sources, it states that she buried the fetus in a light bulb box. And as often is the case, the police didn't get involved until after Spencer spoke with clinic staffers. So she went to the doctor, she went to a hospital, told them what happened, and they reported her to the police. Per Pregnancy Justice, which is a fantastic resource, and you should check them out, out of 412 similar cases, 264 involved information that had been disclosed in a medical setting. Because unfortunately, the healthcare workers who should be prioritizing their patients' well-being and their health prioritize their own twisted sense of moral justice. As of now, the case remains under investigation, and they're performing an autopsy to determine the gestational age. Again, light bulb box. Spencer was booked into a jail in Kentucky and remains in jail as of Friday evening, so a couple of days ago. We'll be following this case along on this page, so you can click to follow along. I also talk a lot about reproductive justice on my page, so if you are interested in learning more, please follow along.